so I'm back with another video. If you're hearing some background noise, some construction is happening where I live. So this video is my quarantine empties video. I've been home since March. I've been working from home, and I took this opportunity to finish up some products that were already coming down to the end. So I purposely decided that I was going to finish up these products rather than using new products or newer products. And so I kept some of my empties to share with you guys. So if you're new here, I'm Channel Mather, by the way. I create natural hair and lifestyle content, and this video falls under the lifestyle umbrella of the content that I create. Let's get right into the products that I have emptied and what I think about them. So first on my list is this product, and I feel so bittersweet having finished this product. It is the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 pure castile soap, and it is in the hemp citrus flavor. Not flavor, but it is the hemp citrus one, and it is the 32 fluid ounce bottle. And guys, I thoroughly love this product. I used the peppermint version way back in the day and I enjoyed it. Somehow I fell off with using it, and I recently rediscovered it. I got it from Fresh Organic City, actually, in Maravan. They're not paying me, this is not an ad. And I found that it was almost better to buy it from them than bringing it in, because customs in Trinidad will break your arm and your leg and your back. Some of the things that I use this product for are shampooing my hair. I've also used it to wash my makeup brushes, and it does a very good job with that. It leaves your makeup brushes feeling clean. And I've also used it predominantly as a shower gel, and I thoroughly love it as a shower gel. It is nice and soft, but it leaves your skin feeling clean. Thoroughly love it. I have also used it as a pesticide for my plants. So guys, I really enjoyed this product. If you are in the market for a shampoo, or you're just looking to make all of your products more natural products, including your shower gel, then I would recommend this product for sure. Next in my empties is a hair care product, and if you guys have been with me for a little while, then you know that this is my favorite rinse out conditioner to date. I don't know another product that can do what it does. My hair requires a lot of slip for detangling, and whenever I'm not using that product, I know it. I don't have a suitable replacement for it. I don't know what I would do if this product was out of circulation. I really thoroughly enjoy this product, and as you can see, I have 2 empties from the brand. I feel like Herbal Essences should sponsor me at this point. What do you think? I think you should tell them on Instagram and on all their social media pages that there is someone from the Caribbean who has been touting the benefits of this conditioner, and that I deserve a sponsorship at this point. Don't you think so? I put so many of you guys onto this product. The least they can do is give me a little change to continue speaking about it. This other product is the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser, and it is a shampoo. I initially thought that it was a co-wash, but it is a traditional shampoo, and to be honest guys, it was okay. I'm not fussy about shampoos because I feel like I can put the moisture back into my hair with a conditioner, but it's nothing to shout about. While it did an okay job, it's not something that I would repurchase. There is nothing great about the shampoo. So that's that about the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Wash Coconut Milk Conditioning Cleanser, and it is a tongue twister. Another natural hair product that I finished is this one, the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner. And guys, in the past, you would have heard me tout how much slip this product has and how much I thoroughly enjoyed this product. It was one of the first conditioners that had slip that I loved when I grew natural back in the day. However, this time around I did not enjoy the product. I enjoyed the tingling feeling of the product, but the slip was disappointing at best. If I remember correctly, when I did the research when I first used it, the formula has changed and it is not a better formula. So I will not be repurchasing this product. I need to retry the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa Conditioner, which was another one that I loved because it had great slip. I have here the OBIA Naturals BABASSU Detangling Conditioner. This is actually the first product I've used from OBIA Naturals, or OBIA Naturals, I don't know how to pronounce it. And the brand is supposed to be vegan, and this product is vegan, pH balanced and natural, and it's supposed to be a detangling conditioner. I don't know how I feel about the product. It does have slip and it's great for detangling, but it doesn't have moisture. I typically prefer my products to have both slip and moisturizing elements in them. This one does not have a moisturizing element, and it just has slip, and so it wasn't my favorite product. Would I repurchase? No, I would not repurchase it. If I got it, would I use it? Yes, I would, but I wouldn't use my coin to repurchase it. The next product that I finished is the MIELLE or MIELLE Organics BABASSU and Mint Dip Conditioner. I won't spend too long on this product because I have already done a review or comparison video using this product and another MIELLE Organics Dip Conditioner. This product actually is my favorite of the two of them. I actually like it. It's mint, it is nice and soft. It is a lot more liquid than the dip conditioners my hair typically tends to like, but it worked really well for my hair. And it is an elasticity treatment, so you cannot go wrong with that. It has a great balance of both protein and moisture, and I just love these kinds of products. So definitely a lovely product. Would I repurchase? Yes, if I could access it easily, I would definitely repurchase this product. That being said, my absolute favorite dip conditioner, this one, Babe, is much cheaper. It has a much lower price point than the MIELLE Organics Dip Conditioner, and it pretty much does the same things. It is an elasticity treatment. It has a great balance of moisture and protein, and this dip conditioner just does my hair well. And this is the APHOGEE CURLIFIC texture treatment. Again, if you've been with me for a little while, you've heard me mention this product ad nauseum, and so you would appreciate why this is in my empties. I cannot find this product on the ground in Trinidad and Tobago, so I actually brought a couple from St. Lucia, and this is one of those containers that is done. I've seen it work really great on numerous hair textures, and when I recommend it, people are never disappointed. Another company that needs to sponsor me. Don't you guys think so? I think so. This is the MIXTRESS J Irish Moss Leave-In Conditioner, and I did a review of the entire line, and I've spoken ad nauseum again about this product here on this channel. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner to date. Really good product. It is a local product here to Trinidad and Tobago, but I am almost certain that she ships internationally. So check out her Instagram page and you guys will not regret purchasing this product, even if you're from abroad. I really love this product. And this other product is a local Trinidadian product as well. I was gifted this product, but I really love this product, guys. This is the Caribbean Girls Hair Oil product. It's an oil mix. This is my own oil mix with a little touch of better, if I do say so myself. No, really. This product is smooth and soft and leaves your hair feeling supple and moisturized without it feeling heavy and oily. I hate to feel oil under my nails and on my hands. This product is light enough, but it leaves your hair feeling supple and nice. I've never finished an oil mix before. This one is done. Next product is this OLAY Fresh Outlast Body Wash, and it is in Orchid and Black Currant. I am a body wash girl. What kind of girl are you? Some people are bar soap girls. I am a body wash girl. I love the softness of body washes. Love them. And so I typically try a variety. This was a good body wash. Would I repurchase? Probably not. Why? Because there are numerous body washes that I can try on the market. So it's nothing to do with the product itself. It's just that there's a lot of variety in body washes, and I would just try something else because that's typically how I operate with body washes. But it was a really good body wash. The scent is a little warmer than I typically like because I like fruity scents, but the black currant adds the fruity tartiness that I typically like in scents, and so it made this a nice body wash for me. So yeah, This is the OLAY Fresh Out Blast. The next few items are skincare items, I guess. This one, I still have one wipe in it. It is a brand that I don't know. This is my first time using it. It is the EPIELLE Basic Gentle Baby Wipes. And I bought this at the local beauty supply, which is Pennywise. Pennywise Cosmetics. And it says this is a moisturizing and calming formula. I always love to have a package of wipes on hand. I typically have one in my bag and one in my bathroom. Did I enjoy this one? No. They're too thin. They were not wet enough for my liking. I prefer wetter wipes because it prevents the whole tugging and pulling against your skin. In the wipes category, this one also has one wipe left. I also picked this up at Pennywise Cosmetics. It's also a brand that I was not familiar with, but I have used this wipe package for a couple of times, and it's by a brand called Hit the Spot, and it's a cleansing facial wipe. This is what it looks like. I love the thickness of the wipe itself, but the wipes dry out a lot too, so they're not wet enough for me. I'm trying to finish a bottle of my micellar water that I had on hand, so what I typically do is that I wet this wipe with my micellar water and I use it to take off my makeup after I've done my oil cleanse. So, would I repurchase? Yes, because it is an affordable face wipe brand and I have found ways to modify it to make it work for me. But would I recommend it? Probably not if you're not going to go through this additional steps that I have gone through, because it can pull and tug at the skin and cause wrinkles because it's drier than I would recommend. My camera battery is showing that it's going to shut down soon, so let's hurry. I don't have very much left. The next product that I have is this BIODERMA product. It is a gentle peel according to what it says, a purifying concentrate. I got it from Martinique and it is a really effective product, especially if you have hyperpigmentation and you're trying to lighten it, and it is a serum. I don't know where to find it in the English-speaking Caribbean, but I'm sure you can find the brand in the French-speaking Caribbean, or any location that sells French products. I cannot repurchase it right now, but I would repurchase if I could. A really nice product. The next product is a skincare product, and it is called the Bump Blaster. It has 10% glycolic acid and 2% salicylic acid. And I got it from a dermatologist here in Trinidad and Tobago. I would recommend the product. It is glycolic acid, and if you have acne and chest acne, it does a great job of helping you maintain that, and it does a great job of clearing your hyperpigmentation on your back and on your chest or any other area where you get acne on the body. But I personally, I hate to say this on camera, but I would not return to this dermatologist in particular because I did not feel like she heard me or she was listening or concerned about my concerns during the visit. I felt like it was rushed. I felt like she was flustered. So I definitely would not be going back. If I can get another glycolic acid spray for my body, I would definitely do that, and I would encourage you to do that as well. So I enjoyed the product, but I will not be returning to the dermatologist, so I will not be getting this one in particular again. This other product I got from another dermatologist in St. Lucia, and it is a serum for my face, and it is a Mandelic acid 15% treatment serum. Again, really great for hyperpigmentation if you want to lighten that. And I got this after a visit I did a couple years ago, and I forgot that I had this product on hand. So I just finished using it during the quarantine period to help brighten my skin. And my skin is doing a lot better than when the quarantine period began. So I really enjoyed this product as well. Very effective serum. And my last two, thank God my camera is still on, praise Jesus, amen. The last two are essential oils from the Now brand. I think that the Now brand is my favorite brand of essential oils. And this one is Cheer Up Buttercup, and this one is Lemon Essential Oil. And I have replaced these with larger bottles. I have quite a few essential oils on my stand. These I use for my diffuser, and I absolutely love them. The Now brand can asked to sponsor me as well. I'm always promoting their stuff. I think that it's an organic partnership. What do you guys think? But let me know if you've used any of the products that I've spoken about in this video. What do you think about them? And I am out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Very simple, to the point, very light material. And I hope that you guys are keeping sane and keeping safe. And I send you all the peace, all the hope in this season. Thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one.
My crown's so heavy, better help me carry. My crown's so heavy, better help me carry. My crown's so heavy, crown's is so heavy. My crown's so heavy.